Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 any kind of not launching problem from your Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Guys, there is several reasons behind this problem. I will show you the very effective solution that will fix your problem. So let's get started. Guys, first you have to go to the Windows tab here, the settings and open it. Now just click on the apps you are seeing, and if you have the Windows 11 then just follow the same steps. Then just click on the search box and just type here the Call of Duty, and the game will appear on the top. Just click on the game and you will see the option of advanced option. Just click on the advanced option, and here you just need to scroll down. You'll see the option of terminate. First just click on the terminate or repair, and if this does not work then click on the option of reset. By resetting your game will fix your problem. And if you have the Windows 11 then go to the same location. You will see the reset option or repair option. First repair it. If this is not working then reset it, and if reset is not working then uninstall it, then install it again, then launch the game again, and guys see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed then open up the Xbox app and open up the Call of Duty. Go to the manage, click on the files and click on the verify and repair. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your encrypted files or any missing files. You can try this option. Sometimes this option does not work, then you can go to the Windows tab with the update drivers or the update Windows, then open it, and if there is any kind of available update for your Windows then just simply update it. By updating your Windows will sometimes fix your problem. And if this solution does not work then you can go to the Windows tab with the device manager, and it will appear on the top. Just open it. Here you will see the display adapter. Simply open it and you will see your graphic card. Simply update it. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, simply open it and update your NVIDIA graphic card. If you have the AMD graphic card, then update your AMD graphic card. Then you just need to restart your PC after all of the solution. Just launch the game and I hope your problem will be fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.